Good morning, people. So today we're gonna be vlogging about the beach in Siquijor and gonna be interviewing some locals. So, sir, excuse me, sir. Do you mind if I interview you? Huh? I said, do you mind if I interview you?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay, so what's your name, sir?
My name, you can call me Mang.
Mang what, sir?
Mang Tomas.
Mang Tomas. So, okay, Mang Tomas. What's your life in this area? So, what's the life in this area?
I don't know what you mean about what's the life here, but I've been living here comfortably in Siquijor for the past 2 years. And it's been enjoyable so far.
It has been enjoyable. What's the best experience and what's the beautiful thing about this place?
For me is going fishing. There's so many fish here and I came here to catch fish. Any types of fish. And I will use the fish to go use it for dinner tonight.
Also, what's the best fish you have caught in this area?
The best fish I caught is called popper fish. It's like a bomb. At first you grab it like it's very small, but then it grows so big with thorns. Thorns! Yes, thorns. It makes you poisonous.
Oh, okay, so that's a local fisherman here in Siquijor, guys. And that's all. Thank you.
Sayang, kamu juga sayang.